Love that shirt.
I do too.
I'm not a deadhead, but I like some of their stuff.
I like their shirts.
Yes, I love their shirts.
That's all
And
I
their
know
little
about.
dolls.
I haven't seen
You've
those.
never seen the Hurricane dolls? See the delay?
Yep.
Look at the one playing with the
Yeah.
one that's hanging down.
Yep. Man, Heather's still awake. See, it's 4 a.m. where Heather is. Well, no, that's not true either. 5 hours ahead. It's after midnight.
Mm-hmm. The mosquito. Oh, did that fire go out? I should build that fire back up.
There's some coals there.
There's fire starters underneath the stairs. In that box, right on top of the bureau. They have so much to say. They want to get it all out at once. That's what I'm hoping for. Let them poop themselves out now.
So now at this stage, when do they eat again?
She said 4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours, yeah.
So when did we feed them? 7, right?
It's 7:30 now.
7, yeah, all right.
Almost 7:30. So it's been 20, 30 minutes. They're winding down right now, but. Oh, yeah, now they have the.
I don't know how this works.
Oh, that's the leg. Oh, we have the towels.
Did
I
they
can do it,
slide
honey.
this out?
I can do it. You can, it's complicated. You gotta wheel the chair out of the way so you can get the thing off, and I'll do it later. I'll do it before she gets up.
Well, I got a stick here for you.
Thank you, dear. Just put it, perfect. Thank you.
Philip, was this your coffee left over here?
Probably. Yeah. Let me have it. It's wet.
Could drink some water.
Oh, Don, they're asking if your wife has a screen name?
No. She's on Facebook. She doesn't do anything.
She goes by Mrs. Roderhead.
There you go.
No, she goes by Mrs. Roderhead in life now.
And I call her ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aye.
Honey.
Yeah, that's what I
All right, they're settling down now. Hope you enjoyed them. Gonna turn the sound off for now. Good night.